Hello. Credit inquiries on your credit report are a lot like boiled eggs. They can be hard and they can be soft. And just like when you are boiling an egg, you are in control. Now, in terms of hard inquiries, these are inquiries that are put on your credit report by a credit provider. So if you are shopping around and are submitting multiple inquiries in that shopping process, they will hit your credit report as a hard inquiry. Hard inquiries are much harder to remove, even when they shouldn't be there in the first place. In terms of soft inquiries, please be aware that you, as a consumer, ordering your own credit report will not impact your credit report as a hard inquiry. It will not have a detrimental effect. So knowing which inquiries are hard and soft will help you in the process of maintaining a good credit report and a good credit record. If you've got any questions on credit reporting and what should and shouldn't be there, please consult the Credit Fix Solutions website for a fantastic guide that you can download and reference when needed. Bye for now.